As a college student, safety is a top priority. The University of New Mexico is launching a mobile app aimed at increasing safety by creating a virtual safety network of friends and family. Here's how it works. You've probably seen these giant blue poles all around campus. Well, now you'll have a mobile blue light in your pocket at all times. When activated, it instantly places an emergency call and shares your real-time location with responders. If you want to share your location with someone else, you can use FriendWalk. FriendWalk lets a friend or family member virtually watch you as you walk to your destination. With UNM Safe, reporting a tip is simple. You can submit an online police report or text non-emergency information to UNM PD. Communicating with UNM PD is now easier than ever. Through the safety toolbox, you can chat anonymously with dispatch and let someone know that you're safe following an incident. Looking for your classes or waiting for your shuttle? Campus Maps helps students find buildings, locations, and track UNM and city buses. Lastly, UNM Safe can help you get connected to academic advisement as well as mental and physical health support services. Download the app today for a little more peace of mind on campus.